Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at xargs. It's a command that accepts input that is piped to it, and then uses that input as arguments to whatever command you specify. So here's a very simple example. I'm echoing 3 file names and passing that to xargs with the command head-3. So it's just going to add these 3 file names to the end of the command, and we're going to see the first 3 lines of each file, except they don't all have 3 lines, so we're seeing what's available. Now, it's more useful to use xargs with commands that use find, maybe to find files by various criteria and then do something with them. So this command here is going to look in the current directory, starting in the current directory, for any file that is empty and pass those names to xargs to remove them. Now we're using the -t so that it will show us the command that it's run so we can actually see what it's doing. And it's removing those 2 files that were both empty, and the names kind of give that away. Well, for some commands, you may need to have xargs run once for each argument. So to do this, you need to put xargs into a loop, and you do this with the -i option. And here's an example there. We're seeing who's logged in, and for each user who's logged in, we're going to run this command, which says, show me the last 3 logins. The -i says it's going to be a loop, and the the X's, or whatever word or character you put in there, basically delimits the loop. So hit return, and it shows us 2 people are logged in, me and Nemo, and it shows us the last 3 login sessions for each of us. Well, that is your Linux tip for the xargs command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.